Okay, today I have our final room tour here in Canggu, Bali. So after 7 months, today is our last day. We actually, if you can see, just finished packing up our stuff. So I wanted to show you where we've been living for the last 2 months. Okay, so we're here at Tan Hana Villa in Canggu. So we have this outdoor space where we usually eat our food. As you can see, some pre-airport meals. Our drying rack for wet clothes, our shoes, and then inside. So we have a queen size bed, as you can see. 2 nightstands, one right there, and lamps. And the other one right here. So in addition to the table and chairs outside, we also have a desk and a chair inside. So anytime I wasn't working from a cafe, this is where I was working from. The TV is a smart TV, so you can log into your Netflix or your YouTube and watch your stuff. You got a little shelf down here. You also have a little mini fridge. It does come with daily bottles of water, so you get 4 each day. And then you have your closet and more dresser stuff. So the left side is the closet. Right side is more of your shelves or your dressers. So it comes with 2 beach towels, as well as 2, shower towels. The other kind of shower or towels you use. So you got your sink, more shelving down there. You do have a Western toilet with a sprayer. And our shower. Shower honestly was not the greatest because of that tiny little water heater. It did get cool. The hot water only lasted literally 5 minutes, so that was a downfall. But it does come with body wash and shampoo, and these are refilled on a daily basis. And then let me show you what else you get. So you do have a shared pool. This giant thing. As well as some sun beds, sun loungers. And it's pretty deep. So I am, 5'3", and I could not touch the bottom of the pool here. Okay, and then this place. So this is like your shared dining area. Some people chose to work from here. In addition to the bottles of water, you also had unlimited access to this filtered water, as well as tea and coffee, all you can drink. And then if you wanted to cook, it does have a shared kitchen. So you have both stove and oven, as well as microwave, rice cooker, and a blender. So we paid $400 a month for this place, which is 6 million rupiah, and it was 100% worth it. This was so nice. Lots of things I liked about it. One, it's a standalone villa, right? So you don't have any shared walls, so that's nice. There are quiet hours from 10 p.m. till 8 a.m. So, the nights that I wouldn't go out and I needed to get up early for work, that was nice. No distractions. We get cleaning 6 days a week. So the only day we don't get cleaning is Sunday, and then our bed and towels were changed once a week. Wi-Fi was amazing. So every villa, first of all, I should back up. So there are 6 villas on this property. That's all. So because of that, it's actually pretty hard to get into. We had to wait 3 months just to have an opening here. So every villa has its own router. So we're all on the same Wi-Fi network, but because each villa has its own router, the Wi-Fi was always strong. So we had speeds of like 40 up and 35 down, which were amazing to work from, super easy to stream from. So 100% recommend staying here because this was amazing. And it's also one little road off of BATU BOLONG. So you're still like in the heart of everything. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures, leave me a comment. What do you think about this place? And the next one will be right here in 3, 2, 1.